Welcome guys, thank you. Here in this video we will talk about the Oppo A9 2020 brief description. Oppo A9 2020 smartphone has a 6.53-inch display and is powered by Snapdragon processor. This phone has a 8GB of RAM and 128GB of its internal storage, which gives you ample space for all of your music, videos, games, movies, etc. It runs on Android 9.0 out of a box. The Oppo A9 20 packs a 48 megapixel rear quad camera and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processors, dual stereo speakers, and is backed by the 500 mAh battery with the Type-C charging. And the Oppo A9 2020 has a 8GB RAM and 128GB of ROM. The price starts from 46,000 in Pakistan. The best price of Oppo A9 2020, which is 3% less than the cost of Oppo A9 2020 in Amazon. This mobile phone is available in 128GB variant. Oppo A9 2020 is available in marine green, space purple colors across various online stores. Camera features are quad, rear camera megapixel 48 plus 8 plus 2 and 2. Maximum video resolution in pixels are 2160 pixel 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. It's a gyro EIS. Front camera megapixel are 16. Its technical specification CPU is Qualcomm STM665 Snapdragon 665 11nm. CPU speed is 2.0 GHz and the processor cores are octa-core.